Do you want to turn off dark mode on Instagram? Let me show you the fastest way. Today in this video, I will show you how to turn off dark mode on Instagram and switch back to light mode in just a few simple steps. Whether your Instagram themes change automatically or you simply prefer the default light mode, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process from start to finish. And I promise you, this is a step-by-step tutorial. Right. For step one, all you need to do is to head over to your preferred browser. We have a lot of browser, but like such as Chrome, Safari, and the likes, right? But I would be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. And what you need to do is you need to head over to Google, right? This is Google, and I am going to type Instagram login, right? Once I've tagged Instagram node is going to display this, and you need to first of all, if you want to do this, right, to log in, you first must have an Instagram account, and when you do that, simply enter your username or your email address or even your phone number along with your password. And if you do not have an account yet, definitely you need to sign up first, right? Why for me, you can see that I am going to show you how I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to just click on the login button, right? I'll allow my browser to load, and you can see that it has displayed. Now it's going to show me, you can see that it displays this home page for me to log in. I am going to click on this continue button. Because I have, signed in on these stuffs before, I mean this browser before, is going to even, in fact, you can see that it's even asking for me to save my information, my login info, which I'm going to click save info. And now I am on Instagram. So the first thing I need to do is to, look for my profile, right? This is my profile. I just click my profile here. I can just click profile. And when you click profile, I will just allow you to load first. Then once I've clicked it, I need to locate the more menu. That is the three horizontal line, which I am going to show you now at the bottom left corner. This is it. This is your more, the three horizontal line. I'm going to click on this, and when I click this, one thing you notice is you see the settings, you see your activities saved and switch appearance, right? For me, I am going to click on this switch appearance, and you can see that now it shows the switch appearance. This is it, guys. This is it, switch appearance. So for me to turn it on or to turn on the dark mode, all I need to just do, guys, is very, very simple, right? And you just need to toggle this, right? When you toggle it, you can either see both the dark mode and light mode options. So which means that clicking on this now is going to display the white background. And if I want to go back to or turn it back to the dark mode, all I need to do is to click on this dark mode, and you can see that it has given me the dark mode. So guys, you can see that it is super, super easy, right? Very easy to do. So if you found this video helpful, right, be sure to like, subscribe, and even turn on the notification bell so you will never miss any new Instagram tips or my social media hacks and digital marketing insight. And if you have a question about maybe Instagram or another social media platform, please drop it in the comments below, and I may cover it in my next video. That is all, guys. Bye for now.